back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping outside the four walls of your house to explore one of the most transformative home improvements you can make. We're diving deep into the world of outdoor covered patios, the ultimate bridge between nature and comfort. An outdoor covered patio is an architectural extension of your home's living space that provides a permanent or semi-permanent roof over an outdoor seating or dining area. Unlike a simple open deck, a covered patio is specifically designed to offer protection from the elements, be it the scorching summer sun or a light afternoon drizzle. It acts as a transitional middle ground, blending the fresh air and views of your garden with the structural comfort and security of an indoor room. Whether it is a solid extension of the house roof, a stylish wooden pergola with a canopy, or a modern louvered system, the primary goal is to create a functional, weather-protected environment for relaxation and social gathering. The benefits of installing a covered patio go far beyond simple aesthetics. It is an investment in both your lifestyle and your property value. First and foremost, a cover significantly extends the usability of your outdoor space, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air during seasons when a lack of shade or rain would otherwise keep you indoors. This protection also preserves the lifespan of your outdoor furniture, rugs, and electronics, saving you money on replacements in the long run. Furthermore, a well-designed covered patio acts as a natural cooling system for your home by blocking direct sunlight from entering through windows and sliding doors, which can lead to lower energy bills. Perhaps most importantly, it creates a dedicated destination in your yard for mental health and wellness, providing a peaceful retreat for morning coffee or evening stargazing without the worry of weather disruptions. Decorating a covered patio requires a balance between durability and high-end interior design. To make the space look truly professional, start by defining zones. Use an outdoor area rug to anchor a seating section and separate it from a dining or cooking area. Incorporate living room elements like plush weather-resistant throw pillows, outdoor curtains for softness and privacy, and a mix of textures like wicker, wood, and metal to create visual depth. Don't forget the vertical space. Hanging plants, wall-mounted art, or even a weatherproof television can make the patio feel like a true room. Lighting is the final crucial touch. A combination of overhead chandeliers or fans, string lights for ambience, and floor lanterns will ensure the space feels warm and inviting long after the sun goes down. The best items for a covered patio are those that offer a resort-style feel while standing up to humidity and temperature changes. High-quality teak or powder-coated aluminum furniture is essential for longevity. For ultimate comfort, consider a deep-seated sectional or a hanging egg chair. Functional additions like a gas fire pit table or a built-in outdoor kitchen with a grill and mini fridge can turn the patio into the primary entertainment hub of the home. To enhance the atmosphere, look into smart outdoor lighting systems and Bluetooth-enabled rock speakers that blend into the landscaping. Finally, adding an outdoor ceiling fan is a must-have item to keep the air circulating and ward off insects during the warmer months. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here's the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor covered patio ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern minimalist pavilion. This stunning design features a sleek, black flat roof structure that creates a bold contrast against the white exterior of the home. The clean lines are complemented by a modular gray sectional and a central stone fire table, perfect for those who love a contemporary, clutter-free aesthetic. 2. The vibrant tropical retreat. This idea focuses on warmth and energy, utilizing a natural wood pergola paired with a bright orange privacy fence. The addition of a blue retractable awning provides versatile shade, while hanging flower baskets and a full dining set make this the perfect spot for summer brunch. 3. The rustic woodland deck. Embrace the beauty of nature with this dark-stained wooden pergola and matching wraparound bench seating. The integration of built-in LED step lights and a cozy central fire pit makes this an ideal sanctuary for cool evenings spent under the trees. 4. The grand all-weather living room. This is a true extension of the home's architecture, featuring a vaulted wood plank ceiling with integrated fans and a luxury chandelier. The spacious layout includes both a plush wicker lounge area and a stylish dining table, proving that a patio can be just as sophisticated as any indoor parlor. 5. The stone fireplace sanctuary. Centering your patio around a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace creates an undeniable focal point. This design uses light-toned pavers and elegant wrought iron chairs to create a breezy, Mediterranean-inspired atmosphere that is perfect for year-round relaxation. 6. The secret garden pergola. For those who love greenery, this traditional wooden pergola covered in climbing vines and surrounded by lush ferns is the ultimate dream. The lattice privacy screens and vintage-style lanterns create a romantic, secluded feel that is perfect for a quiet afternoon read. 7. The ultimate entertainment hub. This high-end design features a massive gabled roof with exposed beams, housing a full outdoor bar and kitchen. The transition from the covered bar to the open-air fire pit seating provides multiple scenes for hosting large parties or intimate family gatherings. 8. The contemporary courtyard. This design utilizes clean concrete surfaces and white-walled built-in seating for a chic, urban look. The minimalist fire square and big green egg grill station show that you can fit luxury amenities into a compact, organized footprint without sacrificing style. 9. The Bohemian Night Garden. Lighting is the star of this setup, with oversized globe string lights draped across a lushly overgrown pergola. The low-profile wicker sectional and geometric patterned pillows create a relaxed, boho chic vibe that feels incredibly cozy and magical at night. 10. The poolside paradise. This expansive covered terrace overlooks a crystal-clear pool, offering a shaded vantage point for parents or guests. The use of a large, patterned outdoor rug and twin coffee tables makes this massive space feel grounded, comfortable, and ready for a long day of poolside lounging. Creating an outdoor covered patio is about more than just adding a roof. It's about claiming a new way of life where you can connect with the outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern pavilion or the leafy charm of a vine-covered pergola, there is a design that fits your home's soul. We hope these ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start planning your own backyard transformation. If you enjoyed these designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your renovation dreams. Click the notification bell so you never miss a tour of the world's most beautiful homes.